Okay, that says it's streaming to YouTube. There we go. Yep, there it is. Okay. Yep, there it is. Okay. So if I take that ID, I don't know what this is. Oh, it's all Java. Oh, goody. Let me come back to that. Go back over here. App settings. YouTube chat. It's going to be that. I need to put these into user secrets. So I'm going to change this scene here while I work with user secrets. Oh boy. I'm going to pass in providers, YouTube chat, API key, and that value. You sure Copilot can convert the Java for me? Maybe. Is it api.google or dev.google.com, something like that? Or developer? Where's that console? Google for developers. Yeah. No, show me my dashboard. Sure. What? Yeah, how do I get to my... I don't like having to search Google to figure out how to get to my list of API keys. What the... Google, we need to talk. Your developer platform is hot trash. Holy crap! What the hell is this? It's literally all advertisements. Google YouTube API key. Developer console. This is nowhere accessible from their actual developer. Dear Lord, man. I mean, seriously, YouTube. Seriously, YouTube. We need to talk. You are awful. Okay, I have a key there now, and what I think is a broadcast ID. Let me just make sure. Yep, I closed all those things. I think I'm okay to switch back to here. And I'm only showing a title slide over on YouTube right now. Like, that's what I'm doing on YouTube right now. There's a few of you over there that have popped open, but it's off screen over there. So I think I have the broadcast ID. Let's give this. Let's go somewhere down here and set up breakpoint and see what happens when this starts up. So. That's a little bit too far off topic for me right now, Robert. I'm sorry. Drop me a line in Discord and I can get back to you. It should be starting. There we go. Okay. Why didn't you hit there? I didn't include a reference to the YouTube provider yet in the website. Add project reference. YouTube chat. Try that again. So now it'll build and include the YouTube chat, and it should discover and open that up already. All set for us. Do the thing. I can't talk straight. Here we go. There we are. So it's got the broadcast ID. I don't see it passing the API. Yeah, okay, there was the API key up there. So execute, and boom. That failed. Good to know. Good to know. Exception throw. Google API exception. Yeah, that's so nice of you. Not this one. Try that again. Not a problem, Robert. I'm really deep in the weeds here right now, is all. My mind can't shift context right now. So there's the exception. Come on, show me the exception. The service YouTube has thrown an exception. HTTP status code is unauthorized. API keys are not supported by this API. Okay. See that location. Have I activated my API keys? What do you mean activate? I created it. I need to create a client ID, it sounds like. And go through and do the OAuth activation and connection. And I'm just about up against time. So I want to impersonate a service account. Okay. So if I'm doing OAuth, I need a client ID. Fine. Configure consent screen. I'm going to need to verify my my application. Sure. Sure. And it wants a privacy policy and a terms of service link. Okay. Add or remove scopes of data. Dear Lord. I'm not using BigQuery. I don't need private information about the YouTube channel. Assets and associated content. No, I'm not managing anything about the YouTube account. Sure, I need to view your YouTube account. I guess. Not managing memberships. I'm not downloading videos. All right, there we go. Update. Only test users are allowed to access. Sure. Okay. 15 minutes. Not even 10 minutes. All right, so I have to go back to credentials. OAuth client ID is create. OAuth client ID. This is a web application. Tags app. Authorized JavaScript origins. No. I'm not using a browser. We're going to start with localhost. I have a client ID. I have a client secret. Is that going to get me a service? My API key is marked as it's marked as restrict, the one that the simple API key, but it said I must use an OAuth ID for this type of data when we connected and we looked at the errors. No, it's not listed in here. right? If we try to connect again and take a look at that. I'm probably going to have to do some digging on this. Service YouTube has thrown an exception. Status code is unauthorized. API keys are not supported by this API. Expected an OAuth access token or other authorization credentials. So I need to change this from an API key. No. So how do I pass in the OAuth tokens? No. Okay. Yeah, it's enabled, and it's actually, yeah. New YouTube builder. Yeah, this. Authorize. So there's an authorize somewhere. Google Client secrets load. Oh, dear Lord. This is... I need to run, and this is not... Is there .NET samples in here for this? I'm gonna have to dig in and see it. Yes, I know. I purposely only